哦，双击合了，挺双击合了。
对，合了，我操！咦，合了。
好晒嘞。
In a dramatic tone of event, Xinjiang, China has been engulfed by the coastal dust storm accompanied by hurricane-force wind, leaving residents grappling with the aftermath of natural fury. The unprecedented weather event, which unfolded with a little warning, has raised concerns about the national preparedness of such extreme phenomena. Eyewitnesses reported a surreal scene as the massive dust storm descended upon Xinjiang, shrouded cities and landscape in a thick blanket of serious practices. The visibility plummeted to near zero levels, causing chaos on the roads and disruption daily life. Local authority issue urgent warning, urged residents to stay indoors, to take necessary precautions to minimize health risk associated with the initial and fire dust properties. The hurricane-force winds that accompanied the dust storm added the extra layer of complexity to situation. Reports indicate that the gas would spread well beyond normal seasonal averages, tripping trees, power lines, and structure in the path. The impact of infrastructure has left many areas without electricity, exacerbating the challenges faced by the residents already dealing the aftermath of the storm. Emergency response team are working tirelessly to assess the extent of the damage and provide assistance to those affected. Evacuation efforts are underway in several impacted areas with makeshift shelters set up to accommodate displaced residents. The full scale of the disaster is still unfolding, and authorities are grappling with the complexity of addressing the immediate needs to population while planning the long-term recovery.